Alright guys, I want to show you how to unlock any card. Look, for example now, what you do, look at this one, they say SEC transparency. For you to unlock it, just look below it, legal opinion. To unlock it, you go to legal opinion and unlock it up to 5 times, level 5. Now look at my legal opinion. Look at it here. It's locked up to, I've gotten it up to level 3, so I have to unlock it 2 more times. You get it? I have to unlock it 2 more times. That's how you do it. I go ahead. You see? Just watch. Oh, this one is still locked. Watch. Just watch and see. It's still locked. So now I go again to unlock it 1 more time. Just watch what will happen. You see? SEC transparency is now open. So you can just go ahead and click it. You see, that's how you do. That's how you unlock a card. That's how you unlock a card. So check others. Look at this one now. Okay, let me unlock license North America. License North America. What I have to do, I'll go to look at the requirement, the condition below. I have to unlock SEC transparency up to level 10. That is 10 times. 10 times. So let's go to that SEC transparency and unlock it to get this license North America. So now scroll up. Look at SEC transparency. So it's I've unlocked it just once, so I'll unlock it 9 more times. Just be counting count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at it, is level 5. 6, level 6. 7, level 7. 8, level 8. Look at your license North America, it's still locked, so I need 2 more unlocks to unlock it. So I go back to my SEC transparency, 9, and then the 10. Wow. So let's go back to our license North America. Look at it now. Wow, it's now open. As you can see, it's starting from level 0 to show that it's just open. You see? So I cannot access it. So you cannot see. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips, serious tips, and more. There are many mining cards and coins and secrets that you have to learn. So like and subscribe now so that you'll be the first person to get updates.